Hi, my name is Ashley. I'm a patient solutions advocate here at Phoenix Spine and Joint. I also have a physical therapy background that I've been doing for about 6 years. I came to Phoenix Spine because I wanted to sidestep my career a little bit, but still get to use my knowledge and my experience to help patients get the care that they need. I wanted to be able to help them find the surgeon that they need and get the surgery that they need and get back to living their lives. I really enjoy helping people. That's why I went into physical therapy in the first place. I used to work in a skilled nursing where I would help people recover from all sorts of ailments, including joint replacements and spine surgeries. And so when I was offered this job, this position, it really resonated with me because it was something new and something a little bit more challenging, while I also got to help people in that same way. I really enjoy seeing people being able to go from being in pain and living their lives in a way that they're not happy and they don't get to do the things they want to do, to being able to go back to doing the things that they love to do, whether that's golfing or playing with their grandkids or hiking or just being able to be more active. So I start with talking to you about what you're feeling, how your pain is, and then I can help coordinate with you what doctor would be the best fit. I really recommend you being seen here at Phoenix Spine and Joint. We have a lot of great staff, doctors, and providers that can help you get the care that you need to get back to living pain-free. I really like my job here. I like working here because I really love helping people, and I like that I can do that here at Phoenix Spine and help people to get back to living pain-free. You can reach me at my direct phone number at 602-698-4072, and I can walk you through all of the steps that you need to find that care.